Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Gmail. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then we'll update your app on Play Store. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.